Gasoline station.
That's a rare sighting.
Right? Maybe around the corner.
Yeah,
Oh, right here, Betty Smith.
oh, that's exciting.
So we could choose these. I don't know if I should do teal, the Betty Smith teal, or red. I kind of like red.
I like the flowers too, the little baby flowers.
Hell.
This.
Okay. Okay.
You got that? Okay.
Let's keep it. Okay.
Yeah, you know what? I need to start going with my gut. I'm just gonna stick with it. Not second guess myself.
Make a move.
That does match more
yes.
with this.
Keep forgetting about
Then you
that.
fix my
Okay. Oh, alright. Oh.
There you go. Good catch. Is it in there? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
KFC. Let's go. I'm recording it. Uh-oh. Does this open? Furry fries. Wanna try that?
That seems good. I don't know what that is.
Alright, let's try this. Furry
sauce. It's interesting.
butter soy sauce. Do I add to cart? Uh-oh. Choco pie. Oh, a biscuit. Let's try a biscuit. Let's try French fries. Boneless chicken piece.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And I think that's it. Oh, don't complain. And don't leave bad reviews. I have no idea. I think this is butter flavor.
Yeah.
Like tempura chicken.
Is it yummy?
How does it taste?
It's okay.
Mmm.
A little crispier.
Mm-hmm. I like this. So what do I use this for? For the fries, maybe?
Oh yeah, might be for the fries. I'm gonna try it. What is it? What is it?
I think it's for the fries, because they, oh yeah, it is, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah, shake it. Yeah.
Furry, okay.
Oh, that's the furry
Oh my
fries.
gosh.
That's funny. These fries are really so good. I like them.
You put the fries in here. Put this powder. And then the instructions. It's dusty, or it's like powdery. Ooh. Henry's Burger. It's on the plate. Oh my goodness. We're gonna cut. Whoa, too much people. Too much people. It's down this way. Slice of life, A5 Wagyu brisket. What is that? Chili?
Yeah. Like a
Coleslaw? Okay. Watch this. It's so soft and let's try it. Do this. Crepes. Oh, what's that? You see that? I want to try this, to be honest.
Doriyaki.
What? What's that?
Doriyaki.
What's that?
That's these.
What?
That's this.
Oh. You trying to get something here?
How is it?
Good.
Yummy.
It just tastes like
A pancake with cheese.
yeah. I'm at Moss Burger, souffle pancake, oolong tea, and it's a rice patty, yakiniku, something. I don't know.